Good afternoon, all students.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
Good morning.
How are you all?
Almost all.
Okay, so I'm seeing you are little lazy. So all of you look. So today we are going to study a new topic. Last in the previous class, I taught you about narrative point. So all of you know that, and you have to revise that one also. And it is needed to revise because when you will do in the exam or you will appear in the exam, it will come definitely. So today is a grammar part. So today we will start a grammar part. So here I have written day 5. So in this unit you have day up to day 7. So half part will be the grammar. Okay, so we will start the class. So introduction to modals. Modal verbs. You know, have you heard about modal verbs? Anybody can raise up your hand. Have you heard any time? Modal verbs is what? No? Okay. Answer. Yes.
Modals can, may.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So can, could, may, might, shall, should, and ought to, not to. So I explain you. That I will tell you. So actually that is a modal verb, but in a tenses uses, therefore shall and will is a you are saying this is a helping verb or something, but it is actually modal verb, but works in a tenses. Clear? What it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So any doubt means you ask. Okay, so what should you ask when you want to go to the washroom during the class time? Anybody can tell me.
May I go out, sir?
One by one I will ask. Can you tell me, Pranal?
So may I go to the washroom?
Sir? You can tell freely. Tell freely.
You can ask him.
Any type of. You can use the modal verbs. Later I will explain.
May I have
May I?
to?
No, I am saying when you are in the class, during the class time, when you want to go outside, means a washroom or restroom, we say, that time how you will ask the teacher? Permission, I am saying. Ma'am?
May I go for hand wash?
Washroom, okay.
And sir, can I go outside?
May I go toilet?
Can I go outside?
May I go to have lunch for lunch?
No, not lunch, but washroom I am saying.
May I go outside?
Okay, so now. So may, can, or could. May, can, could. You can use them. How? May I go to the washroom, or may I go to toilet? Or can I go to toilet or washroom? Or you can say, could I go to toilet or washroom? You can use it. Okay? Any doubt?
So in the class we can use all of them.
Yeah, you can use. But there is this is a way of asking. Way of asking to the teacher. Means, excuse me, can I go outside? You can use it. This is a use for permissions. Okay? When we use a word like may or can or could, we are making a request and asking for permission. I told you as like. So, and what would you ask someone who has fallen down but not getting up? What would you ask?
For?
Someone has fallen down and means you will ask to the person. What you will ask?
Are you
May I throw the soil also?
No, 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 no.
May I help you?
Once again, you listen the questions.
May I help you?
What would you ask someone who has fallen down but not getting up?
Can I help you?
May I
May I
help
help
you?
you?
Okay.
May I help you to get up?
Okay. And any other? Any other answers?
Can I pick up?
Okay. So pick up also you can say, but not not matching. It is similar, but we can say pick. It is okay. But for the persons we cannot use. For the persons we can say, or you can say, can you get up? Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt?
Necessary not sir.
Okay. So here the word can is used to show ability. Ability, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. So what we want to know is if the person is able to get up. We are not asking for permission here. Means we are saying the ability. Can you get up? Means you are able to get up or not? At that time we will ask. This is called ability. And in the English language, some words tell us the mode of action or the speaker's attitude. Speaker's attitude means speakers means I speak. The attitude we see. So we will see now in this video, so you will understand more.
Modal. Mala is able to drive. Can we make this sentence shorter? Mala can drive. Do you know what the word can shows in this sentence? The word can shows an ability to do something.
Thank you, ma'am.
In this sentence, the word can shows Mala's ability to drive. Can is a modal verb. Now you must be thinking, what is a modal verb? Modals tell us something about the verb without the action taking place.
Do you understand here? Do you understand here? The modal verb uses. Here it is saying you modal verbs or modals tell us something about the verb without the action taking place. Okay? Or again we can say this is they are auxiliary verb, or we can say helping verb. We can say the modal.
Modal, expressibility, intention, and obligation. Let us understand the different types of modals. There are some modals that express ability. Modals like can and could express the ability to do an action. Can shows one present ability. For example, Madhu can teach the students well. Here, the modal can shows Madhu's present ability to teach her students well. Could shows one past ability. For example, Madhu could narrate stories well. Here,
Do you understand this? The can and the could in between the differences. What you got from here? The tenses you got. Okay, can is used for the present, and the could is used for past. Whenever you use, so you think and you can use it. Now name the past.
the modal could shows Madhu's past ability to narrate stories well. Can you see how the modals can and could tell us more about the functions of the main verbs teach and narrate? Modals like shall and will express intention. For sentences in the first person, we use shall as a modal of intention. For example, I shall wash the dishes. For sentences in the second and the third person, we use will as a modal of intention. For example, Kiran will help me in washing the dishes.
Now, someone was asked here, will and the shall. So it is used here as a modal verb, but it is actually in the tenses, will and the shall. Got it? So it is used in the tenses. Two only it is used in the tenses part, like a present, past, and the future, whatever we have in the tenses. There it is used. But modal verbs, all that means except two, they won't use in the tenses. They won't use in the tenses. But these two, shall and the will, only uses only in the tenses.
Finally, some modals express an obligation or duty to do something. This may be an obligation to follow method or to do something good. We use modals like should and need to for actions that are considered good. For example, the team should play on. We need to study to pass the test. Have to and must are modals used.
Here also you see good to do, like a should and a need to do. When you are using need to, you need to study. It is good sense version. Or do, good to do this. Should, you should do, or you should study. You can use it. And obey part, like a have to. You have to do this work. Yes, you have to do. So have to use. So here also must. Must is a definitely. It's like a should. You should attend tomorrow. Should. It is as a modal now, okay? And then it is a must also here. Obey. When you say the sentence, you must come tomorrow. You obey my word and you come tomorrow. You must come.
For the action of
This modal okay?
For example, the doctor has to attend to this patient.
Here you see.
We must follow traffic. So students, I hope you have understood what modal verbs are and what their uses.
Do you understand this one? You will see in your book when you will open, it will be there. Okay? So it is modal of ability like can and could, and modal of intention like a shall and will you are using in the tenses. You will see then modals of obligation like should, need to, must, and another is have to. Okay?
Let us discuss directly while speaking and writing. Thank you.
Understand?